Today we will discuss about energy of an orbiting satellite. So we consider the Earth. So this is Earth. The Earth center is O. Radius is R. R is the radius of Earth. So mass of the Earth is capital M. Okay. From this Earth surface we can launch or project a satellite. So mass of the satellite is M. Okay. So we can provide certain horizontal velocity. The horizontal velocity is V. What happens? It is revolve around the Earth continuously. Okay. The height from Earth surface is h. Then the total height is r plus h. The total height from the Earth center, that is r plus h. It can revolve continuously. So then it is consist the centripetal force. So the centripetal force Fc equals to mv square by, so what is the distance from the center? That is r plus h. So this is equation number 1. This centripetal force provides the gravitational force. The gravitational force of satellite of a satellite of the satellite. So Fg equals to capital G, capital M, small m by r plus h whole square. So this is equation number 2. Okay. So this is provide the centripetal force is required for revolve around the Earth for a satellite. It is provide the gravitational force. So then left hand side, the gravitational force and centripetal force both are equal. So then equation number 1 from equation number 1 and 2 we can write here mv square by r plus h equals to g capital M small m by r plus h whole square. Okay, here we cancel m gets cancelled. So 1 r plus h gets cancelled. So from this above equation we can write v square equals to gm by r plus h. So this is equation number 3. Okay, so this is orbital velocity v square equals to gm by r plus h. So then a satellite is revolve around the Earth. So it is consist the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy of the satellite So Ke equals to, what is the equation of mv square? So then kinetic energy Ke equals to of m v square is nothing but from equation number 3. So this is G capital M by R plus H. Okay. So then from this equation that equals, it can write capital G capital M small m by 2 into R plus H. So this is equation number 4. Okay. Ke equals to Gmm by 2 into R plus H. So this is kinetic energy. So when a satellite is revolve around the earth at certain height from the center of the earth, the height is R plus H. So then it is consist the gravitational potential energy at this point. Okay, here the gravitational potential energy of the satellite so that is potential energy, it is denoted PE. Potential energy equals to minus capital M, so capital G capital M small m by R plus H. So this is equation number 5. Okay. So the satellite is consist the gravitational potential energy, that is potential energy, minus Gmm by R plus H. The kinetic energy Ke equals to Gmm by 2 into R plus H. So from here, from equation number 4 and 5, from equation number 4 and 5, we can write here the kinetic energy. Okay, here the kinetic energy is positive. So positive, that is Gmm by 2 into R plus H. But the potential energy is negative. So potential energy Pe equals to minus G capital M small m by R plus H here. So potential energy is negative and kinetic energy is positive. And in magnitude, that is magnitude of potential energy equals to, so there is no direction. So when we have taken the kinetic energy, potential energy equals to twice of the, okay, twice of the kinetic energy, or the kinetic energy is equals to in magnitude of half of the potential energy. Okay, so kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 into, so in magnitude there is no, we have not considered negative sign. So Gmm by R plus H is nothing but potential energy. So kinetic energy equals to half into potential energy. Next we can consider here the total energy of satellite. So then total energy of the satellite, total energy E equals to potential energy plus kinetic energy. So then, so what is the expression here? Total energy equals to potential energy equals to minus G capital M small m by R plus H, okay, plus kinetic energy is G capital M small m by 2 into R plus H. Okay, in this equation the LCM is taken, is E equals to LCM is 2 into R plus H. So then minus, okay, so then it is minus 2 into G capital M small m plus G capital M small m. So E equals to, okay, E equals to minus 2 GMM plus GMM. So then negative minus G capital M small m by 2 into R plus H. So this is equation number 6. From equation number 6 and equation number 4 and equation number 5. So here energy, the total energy of the satellite, okay, total energy of the satellite equals to, so negative sign of, so here the potential energy is positive and total energy is negative. So the total energy, kinetic energy equals to negative total energy. Okay, so from equation number 4 and equation number 6, so here Ke equals to GMM by 2 into R plus H. Here E equals to minus GMM by 2 into R plus H. So then hence we can write here from 4 and 5. So here kinetic energy equals to negative of total energy, and here the potential energy and the total energy, potential energy and total energy both are negative sign. So but the total energy equals to, total energy equals to potential energy by 2, half of the potential energy. Okay, so total energy E equals to potential energy. What is potential energy here? GMM by R plus H. Here remaining 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into potential energy. So total energy equals to potential energy by 2. So here for the total energy of circular orbit, so the total energy of the satellite for circular orbit, so that is negative. Okay, this is negative with negative potential energy. So with negative potential energy. So but potential energy equals to, so here potential energy equals to twice of the, okay, twice of the potential energy equals to twice of the magnitude in kinetic energy. Okay, magnitude in kinetic energy. So already we are right here, potential energy equals to twice of the kinetic energy. When the orbit of the satellite becomes elliptic, so we consider here the orbit is circular, but if when we have taken the orbit of the satellite becomes elliptic, so both the kinetic energy and potential energy vary from point to point. So because what is the kinetic equation, kinetic energy equation? Ke equals to GMM by R 2 into R plus H. M and M, these are the constants. Mass of the satellite is constant, so mass of the earth is constant, radius also is constant, but so orbit is, the orbit is change. Okay, the orbit is elliptic. So when elliptic, so what happens? The height will be varied. When the height will be varied, when height is changed, height changes, what happens? The kinetic energy changes and potential energy changes. So the total energy of, okay, the total energies remains constant for circular orbit case. So here if the total energy is positive or zero, already we have studied about the escape speed in topic of escape speed. the total energy is greater than or equals to 0. Okay, greater than or equals to 0, that is the satellite will escape from gravitational field. Okay, when the total energy is positive or equals to 0, greater than or equals to 0, positive or it equals to 0, so then it is escape from the infinitive. Infinitive is nothing but is escape from gravitational field. So but we are consider the satellite. Okay, here the satellite is orbit in a the orbit is circular orbit, or so we can consider elliptical orbit. It is rotate. Okay, it is revolve around the earth continuously. So we consider the satellites are always finite distance. Okay, here the satellites are two types. We are discussing next topic. The satellites are polar satellites or geosynchronous satellites. These are at finite distance. Finite distance means it is from earth surface either 500 kilometers to 800 kilometers. It's called the polar satellites. When the height from the earth surface is 35,800 kilometers. These are the geosynchronous satellites. So we consider the satellites are always finite distance from the earth. Okay, finite distance from the earth surface. So then their energies cannot be positive or 0. So for the satellites, so we consider a definite. Okay, so finite distance from the earth surface. So then it is the energy, the total energy of the energies, that is potential energy, and the total energy is less than 0, that is negative sign. It is consist negative sign, cannot be positive or 0. So this is about energy of orbiting satellite. So what is the energy? The kinetic energy is Ke equals to gmm by 2 into r plus h. Potential energy is minus gmm by r plus h, and the total energy is E equals to minus gmm by 2 into r plus h.